We have added another addition to the Community Cookbook. After looking over the community posts, there was a feature that was needed for when a mirror column has people assigned to it, so an assigned people column, a mirror people column. We want to automate over those assigned individuals to the item that the mirror column is on, so that the assignees jump over to the new task. Here's a few examples. So we've got it in here where we automate based on when it's stuck. We assign the people in the mirror column. We can replace the existing signees or merge with the existing signees. So you're not replacing, you can add some in if you wanted to. So this is replace, but we haven't got any anyway. So if we go to stuck, that will trigger the sentence builder, and then that will mirror over the assigned people from the task that has been mirrored in, which is this task here. Cool. To see that it works on the workflow builder as well, I've added it in here. Again, same concept, board ID, your mirror columns, where your target column is, and then whether you want to replace it. This time it works off working on it. So if we go back to our board, change the status to working on it, this will trigger the workflow, and it will copy over the mirror column into the person column. So you can now start assigning over based on your mirrored columns. That works for the sentence builder and the workflow builder. If you have any questions or you want to add anything to the Community Cookbook, please reach out. We'll build on this and make it exactly what we need for Monday.